Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today we are going to understand about the boiling of the water, or we can say boiling of any liquid. When I keep water in this open container, water vaporizes. These vaporized molecules raise up in the air, and these vaporized molecules collides with the gaseous molecules of the air. Or simply we can say these vaporized molecules exerts pressure on the air molecules, on the gaseous molecules of the air. Or simply we can say these vaporized molecules exerts pressure on the air. This pressure is known as vapor pressure. At lower temperature, vapor pressure is less, and at higher temperature, vapor pressure is more, because we know that water vaporizes more at higher temperature. When this vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure on the surface of the liquid, then vapors formed within the liquid rise up to the surface of the liquid in the form of bubbles. This state of the liquid is called boiling. The boiling of the water or boiling of liquid depends upon vapor pressure and the atmospheric pressure. And also we know that vapor pressure is directly dependent to the temperature. And that's why we can say boiling of the liquid depends on the three factors. They are temperature, vapor pressure and atmospheric pressure. If I reduce the temperature, if I reduce the atmospheric pressure on the surface of the liquid, then I can boil it at the lower temperature. In this example, I can boil this water at the room temperature if I lower the atmospheric pressure on the surface of this water. If I create vacuum on the surface of the above the surface of the water, then I can boil this water at the room temperature also. So in this video I am going to demonstrate this concept. For this I have taken one syringe and I am going to fill some amount of the water in this syringe. I have taken out its needle. Now I make sure that I have expelled all the air from this syringe. I keep only a small amount of the water in this syringe. As the water drop comes out from the tip of the syringe, I press hard the tip of the syringe. I am going to hold this syringe like this, and I will pull the piston. Let's see what will happen. You can see bubbles are forming within the water, or we can simply say water is boiling at this room temperature. Above the surface of the water, I have partially created the vacuum, or vacuum is approximately created above the surface of the water. So in this video we have seen that water can be boiled by reducing the atmospheric pressure above the surface of the water, or by creating partial vacuum, or just creating vacuum above the surface of the water. We have also learned from the school time itself that water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. This boiling point of the water is called the normal boiling point of the water, and it is the boiling point of the water at that point when the atmospheric pressure is 1 atm, or 1 atmospheric pressure. So in this video I hope you have enjoyed the video. If it is so, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video among your friends, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I will upload the new video in this channel. Soon I will be back with the next interesting video. Thank you.